In this video, we will demonstrate how to pack the 2.5 stacked hose load. HRFE apparatus shall be packed with a minimum of 3 100-foot stacks. Most of our trucks will be packed with a total of 500 feet of 2.5-inch hose. To facilitate this, start by ensuring your 2.5 hose bed is a minimum of 14 inches wide. If needed, adjust the width of the divider. To accommodate 500 feet of hose in total, we will pack 200 feet in a flat load, followed by 3 100-foot stacks on top. Begin packing the hose by placing a female coupling at the end of the hose bed. When forming your bites, ensure there is roughly 18 inches is left from the end of the bed, to accommodate our stacks later. Continue to pack the hose in a flat load from left to right until all 200 feet of the flat load is packed. Place the end male coupling outside of the hose bed, towards the front of the apparatus. We will connect this to our stacks later. Begin packing the attack stack by placing the male coupling near the edge of the hose bed. The attack stack may be packed with just the bare male coupling, with a nozzle, or with a reducer. Crews may discuss and choose what suits their district's needs best. Then, stack the hose in a Minuteman fashion until 100 feet is stacked. For all supply stacks, ensure the male coupling can bend up 90 degrees when forming your hose bites. This ensures a clean and neat look at the end. Pack the stack in a Minuteman fashion until 100 feet is packed. Repeat the action for all other supply stacks. Once all the hose is packed, connect the coupling to make this a 500-foot continuous load. Take the 100-foot female coupling, form an underhand loop, and connect it with the second stack's male coupling. Next, take the 200-foot female coupling, form another underhand loop and connect it with the third stack's male coupling. We now take the 300-foot female coupling and connect it to the male coupling from the flat load that we left outside of the hose bed earlier. Now that all our connections are made, we can clean up the folds in the hose, and we are ready for deployment.